Yes, in terms of some of the things that you covered, any big highlights, differences for folks that are on desktop to be aware of, just in terms of like setting things up and I mean, again, not to oversimplify things, you obviously mentioned it's two different software packages, right? It's two different platforms and they do things differently, but just like from a high level and maybe just the fundamentals, like. I'm assuming from a general ledger standpoint and kind of chart of accounts, it's ultimately the same concepts, right? But it's just different ways of doing it.
Correct. And like all SaaS-based solutions, there's the one big limitation that anyone who's gone from an on-prem to a SaaS-based solution knows: speed. A desktop program, you click a button, that thing opens. On a SaaS-based solution, you got to wait for the web page to refresh, or
Mhm.
you got to open it in a new tab. But that's one of the limitations of all software SaaS-based solutions.
Yeah.
But there's way more. I believe there's way more pros than there are cons.